Introducing the OnePlus Nord 2 5G in color blue haze with MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor. The smartphone comes in 4 color variants of blue haze, grey Sierra, green woods and Pac-Man. You will get 2 memory options of 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage and 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage. The smartphone supports dual nano SIM connectivity along with dual 5G support. The OnePlus Nord 2 5G flaunts a 6.43 inches fluid AMOLED display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels. The 20:9 panel has 90Hz refresh rate and 410 ppi pixel density. It also supports sRGB and Display P3. You can unlock the device with your fingerprint or face. The smartphone features an AI triple rear camera setup with Sony IMX766 50-megapixel primary sensor, 8-megapixel sensor and 2-megapixel sensor. The main camera supports 4K video recording at 30 fps and 1080 pixels recording at both 30 fps and 60 fps. You can take high-quality selfies with 32-megapixel front camera that also supports 1080 pixels video recording at 30 fps and 60 fps. You can also record slow motion and time-lapse videos. The smartphone runs on Oxygen OS 11.3 operating system based on Android 11. Powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor, this OnePlus smartphone allows you to do seamless multitasking and perform heavy gaming without any hassle. The dual-cell 4500 mAh lithium-ion battery ensures that your smartphone offers long-lasting usage. You will also get Warp Charge 65 fast charging that can boost up your smartphone for a day's charge within just 15 minutes. The box includes USB cable, adapter, phone case and SIM tray ejector. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card in net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.